To me, there's nothing more romantic than a Prosecco cocktail, so I'm going to teach you how to make a version of a French 75 that we call the Italian 69. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of our Elysian Fields Lavender gin. This is made with lavender from Long Island and is colored naturally. It's delicious and beautiful. Then we're going to do ½ an ounce of lemon juice and ¼ ounce of simple syrup. And then we'll top it off with some Prosecco. For our garnish, I cut a strawberry into a cute little heart shape. And there you go, the Italian 69.